Hey everyone, it's Nice Guy here. I'm going to show you how to do this display panel swap on the Dell G7 7588. You're going to need your laptop, new panel, potentially some tweezers, and some screwdrivers and garbage. Alright, so to get started, you're going to need to take some kind of pry tool, use it to get in the bezel. You could probably try getting in with your nail to start it off. I think I can. There we go. And you just gotta go unclip the entirety of the bezel. And there you go. Put that aside. Flip the PC over. Remove these, the screws holding in the panel. Then once you have that done, just lift up the panel carefully, flip it over, and then gently remove the display connector. You have your old LCD out. Next up, you're going to need to unbox your new panel. And as you can see, here we have the new panel. It's got the little protective film on it. I'm replacing the old panel. It's a 1080p 60Hz panel, but this right here, the new one, is 1080p, but it's 120Hz and I think like VA or TN. Anyway, I have another one of these and it looks good, so that's why I chose it. So just basically, you're going to need to just plug it in. It's a pretty easy connector to line up. Just go slowly, don't force it in. It'll go in on its own, basically. There we go, connector plugged in. Line it on the screw holes. Take your screws. And you're going to screw back in on all four sides. Once you have installed all the screws, turn on the laptop. Make sure the screen turns on and everything. As you can see, it works. So now basically just grab your bezel, remove your protective film, and snap your bezel back in place. And that's it. You got your panel nice and replaced. And this one's 120Hz, so it should be nice and everything. So yeah, that's it. Basically just unsnap the bezel, take out the old panel, put in the new one, snap the bezel back in. Easy replacement. Should take you like 15 minutes, maybe 30 at most. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll release a new video in another like 4 years or something.